Ooh, candy. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to Senpai Hobby. This is going to be a quick and dirty, before I do a live build on this guy, a quick and dirty unboxing and first look. So, is this going to be worth the money and the wait? Alright, so here we are with RX-93-V2 High V, High New Gundam. And yeah, everybody's been raving about this. There's already some things I already want to change on it, but we'll get to that in the live stream. So let's take a look. Taking a look at the side, you've got some information. It looks like it has a pretty good pose, though they did kind of have to do that leg wonky to be able to get that to squat. The way they ended up shooting that, it looks weird. I do like they are showing that there's like separation around the knees, which I haven't seen on something like this. See, lots of fin funnels, mobility, of course, a ton of stickers. Taking a look at the other side, you get some poses, and getting into the box, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 baggies and an instruction manual. All right, we're going to start off as usual, taking a look at the instruction manual. You got page 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and your sticker placement. Taking a look at runner A, you have, I'm assuming this is a gray color, you have this pastel blue for all these accents. You have one little clear piece over here, which is going to be for the eye visor. You have all these little gold, and it's a different injection gold than I've normally seen. It's almost like a yellowy gold. It's kind of odd. I'm not real keen on the color. Runner C1, this is going to be in a light gray, and this is going to be armor parts, the booster pod, some armor parts. C2 is going to be a continuation of those parts, just the duplicates. Runner D, this is going to be in a light gray part over here, and this is going to be mostly your weapons and things like that. And I don't remember if this is the same runner layout that they had for the High New. Runner F, this is going to be in a bluish gray color, and this is going to be here, it's showing up like a darker blue, but it's actually just a lighter bluish color. There's some parts in here, it's kind of odd. Some inset pieces actually look different in color. I'm pretty sure that's just a play of color with my eyes right now. I'm super tired, but yeah, so this is going to be armor pieces, this is going to be inner frame pieces, and of course you get 2 of those. I do have to say though, if you look here, like look at all these details, like there's so many freaking details. Runner G, this is going to be in that same bluish gray color, and let's see, you've got hands, you've got shield pieces, weapon pieces, and more frame parts on here. Runner H1, this is in a pretty blue color, but you do have a lot of panel lines and stuff, and as you can see on there through the reflection, very nice. Runner H2 is the same runner, just duplicates. Runner I, this is going to be in a silver color, and it actually looks like it's injected silver. You can see the swirls and stuff in there. Same usual Bandai stuff. And in this one, you get some guns. This is going to be H2, or this is going to be I2. And you get more parts on here, some Verners and vent pieces. Last of the things, beam sabers. This is the only parts that they have as the polycap system that's, you know, movable, and this is going to be for the fin funnels. Last but not least, stickers. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this. You will end up seeing this after I end up doing the live working on it, but if you care to, you can watch that and stick around because I already have some plans for some modifications. I will see you down the road. Peace.